Alright, now we will present to you about compound interest and annuity in Business Math MAT112.
Case study 1. You are planning to open up an investment account with an initial investment of Rm100,000 for your son who just turned 7 years old this year. You have shortlisted 2 international banks near you and the information is shown below. As you can see, there are 2 banks here, which OIC Bank and FYI Bank. OIC Bank interest rate charge 5.05% compounded semi-annually and FYI Bank 4.95% compounded quarterly. For question A, calculate the total interest earned when your son turned 18 years old for each bank. First, the investment period is from age 7 to 18, so I calculate 18 minus 7, which equals 11 years. For this question, I will use the compound interest formula, which is as equal P, bracket 1 plus K over M, bracket power MT. Let's begin with OIC Bank. The interest rate is 5.05% compounded semi-annually. I will substitute the value, which 1,000 ringgit is P, 0.0505 is K, M is 2 because it is compounded semi-annually, and T is 11 years. So it will be S equal 100,000, bracket 1 plus 0.0505 over 2, bracket power 22. Then, after calculating, I get 1,730.83. To get interest, we have to minus it with 1,000 ringgit, which gives 730.83 ringgit. That is for OIC Bank. Next, FYI Bank. The interest rate is 4.95% compounded quarterly. This time, 1,000 ringgit is P, 0.0495 is K, M is 4 because quarterly means 4 times per year, and T is 11 years. So I write it as S equal 100,000, bracket 1 plus 0.0495 over 4 power of 44, and I get 1,718. It's not ended here. We have to minus the answer with 1,000, and we will get 718. For question B, which bank should I choose to invest my money based on answer in A and justify your decision? So I would choose OIC Bank to invest money because it offers a higher total interest of Rm 713.83 compared to Rm 718 offered by FYI Bank.
Next, we have to answer the following question C depending on the bank we selected in the question B. After 3 years of investment, the bank changes the rate to 3.5% compounded every 2 months. Calculate the amount of your investment when your son turns 18 years old together with the total interest earned. So here, I've already made a time diagram or timeline to make it more understandable and easier. And I've also divided to 3 years, which 1 year, 3 years, and 11 years. So first, we look at here, K equal to 5.05%. But we have to change it to decimals, so 0.0505%, and the M equal to 2. So where do I get the 2? Based on the equation B, I've chose OIC Bank, and back to the timetable, OIC Bank's interest rate is 5.05% compounded semi-annually. So semi-annually is calculated 2 times a year. That's why we put 2 in here. Okay, and next, K equal to 3.5%. But we have to change it to decimal, so 0.035%, and the M equal to 6. Where do I get the 6? So based on the question, the interest rate is 3.5% compounded every 2 months. Every 2 months is calculated 6 times a year, so that's why I put 6. So the formula here is S equal P, open bracket 1 plus K per M, close bracket, power of MT. So here we have 2 calculation steps. So first, we have to find the future value 1. So 1,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.0505 per 2, close bracket, 2 times 3. And the answer is 1,161 ringgit 39 cents. And we have to bring the answer to the second calculation. So 1,161 ringgit 39 cents, open bracket 1 plus 0.035 per 6, close bracket, 6 times 8. Where do I get the 8? Okay, so 8 is the total of 11 minus 3. We've already calculated the first 3 years. Then we have to calculate for the balance of the 11 years after we already calculate the first 3 years. So here we have 8. So the answer is 1,535 ringgit 42 cents. So that is the final answer for this question.
And now we will move to case study 2. So, Encik Usman, who just retired, is given 2 options for what he wants to do with his 2,200,000 ringgit in gratuity money. The first option is to invest the whole amount of money in an account that pays 0.6% compound monthly. He will then withdraw 10,000 ringgit every month until the account is empty. Another option for Encik Usman is to join a private retirement scheme where, under this scheme, he will get 10,000 ringgit every month for 25 years. So, question A, which option should Encik Usman choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculations. To find the total amount he received, we need to convert 25 years into months. So, 25 years times to 12 months, and we got 300 months. Next, I will multiply the monthly income by the total number of months. 300 months times to 10,000 ringgit, and we got 3 million over 25 years. So I think Encik Usman will choose the private retirement scheme. Okay, question B. After a month of retiring, Encik Usman is considering purchasing a boat so he can go fishing. The boat can be bought for 55,000 ringgit through an installment plan by making a 10% down payment, followed by another 60 equal monthly payments. The interest rate charged is 3.03% compounded monthly. So, question B, calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. So, we need to use the formula below and we need to find the R first. Here we got PV equal to 49,500 ringgit and the K is 0.0303 and M we got 12 and N equal to 60. So after calculate, we got R equal to 890 ringgit 11 cent. So after that we need to find interest charge. Now we need to use formula I equal to NR minus PV. So 60 times to 890 ringgit 11 cents minus to 49,500 ringgit, and we got the final answer is 3,906 ringgit 60 cents. Next, we move to question number C. If he wants to settle all of the loan immediately after paying for 1 year, Roman 1, how much additional payment does he have to make? So as usual, we need to use the formula below to find the PV. And here we got R equal to 890 ringgit 11 cent, and the K is 0.0303, and the M is equal to 12, and N, which is payments, we got 58 payments because the question one for 1 year. So 1 year equal to 12 payment, and we need to minus 60 minus 12 payments, and we got 58 payments. So after calculate, we got the final answer is 50,189 ringgit 93 cent.
Okay, next, question C to Roman. Here, the question asks how much interest is paid. So, now we want to find the interest. Okay, first, write the formula for interest, which is I equal NR minus PV. Next, put all the information in the formula. Write I equal 48, bracket 890 and 11, minus 40,189 and 93. N equal 48. R equal RM 890 ringgit and 11 cent. PV equal RM 40,189 ringgit and 93 cent. Now, calculate the information in a calculator using alpha X equal the information, and then press the button shift key 2 times. After that, for the answer, we got RM 2,535 ringgit and 35 cent. Next, question D. The question said that Encik Osman has not paid his 4 monthly payments and asked how much he should pay on his 5th payment to settle all outstanding areas. Okay, if the question asks for outstanding areas, we must use formula FV. Now, put all the information in the formula. Write FV equal R, open square bracket, and bracket 1 plus K over M, power 5 minus 1, close square bracket, divided by K over M. R equal 890 ringgit and 11 cent. K is 3.03%, which is 0.0303. M is 12. N is 5. Now, calculate the information in a calculator using alpha X equal the information, and then press the button shift key 2 times. And after that, for the answer, we got RM 4,473 ringgit and 8 cent.
In conclusion, the topic of compound interest and annuity highlights the importance of understanding how money grows and how payments accumulate over time. Compound interest shows that interest earned is added back to the principal, allowing the value of an investment or loan to increase exponentially. This concept is essential for analyzing savings, investments, and financing decisions. Meanwhile, annuities help us understand a series of equal payments made at regular intervals, either for future savings, future value, or for repaying loans, present value. By mastering these formulas and concepts, students can make informed financial decisions, compare loan options, plan long-term goals, and evaluate the true cost or return of money. Overall, this chapter provides a strong foundation for real-life financial management and mathematical problem solving.